In the face of increasingly severe global challenges in waste management, all waste processors are leading the new trend of environmental protection with innovative technology, specially tailored for governments, large enterprises, and vegetable farms, providing efficient and environmentally friendly waste disposal solutions, adopting advanced biodegradation technology to convert organic waste into fertilizer, reducing waste by over 95%, turning waste into treasure, reducing landfill and incineration, and helping to achieve the goal of zero waste. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, and ensuring long-term stable operation. We are your trusted environmental partner. Let us embark on a new chapter of green living together and contribute to the future of the Earth.